Thank you, Kelly. Ben, you had your earnings after the bell yesterday. You beat the street. But your guidance for 2026, you set it at a pretty wide parameter, I think, between $3.50 and $6.50 a share. What's your outlook in terms of demand in the first quarter and then for the rest of the year?
Hey, good to be with you, Phil and Kelly. Yeah, you know what, Phil, for 26, we did have a wider range, and that's just based on the experience we saw in 2025 with the macroeconomic volatility. We had a lot of fuel volatility here on the West Coast. So the range really captures the possibility of some of that volatility that we could see. Right now, we're getting to the middle of the range around $5, and just coming out of gate in 2026, just like everyone else, we're seeing really strong bookings, super strong bookings. In fact, record bookings in our history. So we feel pretty good so far starting 2026, but we have that cautious optimism about things that could happen that drive the volatility that we saw in 25.
Ben, you mentioned the volatility when it comes to the jet fuel that you get on the West Coast. They've had refinery issues out there. So it's more expensive than, let's say, if you were fueling up in other parts of the country. Do you expect that to drag out into the spring?
Gosh, I hope not, Phil. We've seen it now for at least almost 2 years, and the key root issue is in California, the refinery factories not staying online and driving fuel prices up, and not just for flyers, but for people all across the West Coast. It's an issue. We got to keep these refineries working for the industry and for Americans, and so I hope it stabilizes, but that is a big risk for us going forward. For West Coast fuel, and Phil, just like a little number is 10 cents per gallon of fuel, higher than everyone else, represents 75 cents of EPS, and that's the reason for our expanded range.
What about the IT issues that you saw in the fourth quarter? You're obviously making the investment to avoid those in the future. Will that investment, how long do you expect that to stretch out over the next couple of years?
Phil, the way we think about that, and those IT outages were painful for our guests, our financial results, and our employees. But the way we think about those investments are short-term investments. We had experts come in, and it wasn't so much for a lack of investment, but where the investment was being made and how we were configuring our hardware and our infrastructure. So we're making those investments right now. Some of them are already in place. More is coming on short-term hardware configuring infrastructure investments. Longer term, whether we move into the cloud, that's more of a longer-term investment that we're working on. That decision will happen towards the back half of the year. But so far, our goal is to provide the most resilience for IT infrastructure. I feel like we're in a good place right now, but we got a lot of eyes on it, a lot of people just focused on it, making sure we stay up 100% of the time.
I feel the consultants licking their lips, thinking, we can help them with that. But regardless, Ben, just a quick one from me, and I appreciate it. Our meteorologist just said he thinks that air travel is going to be ground to a halt for the next week. Is that true? What's going on behind the scenes to prepare for this storm?
Well, and Bernie he said one thing that always puts shivers down my spine when he said about ice.
Yes.
And I will tell you, being an operator for over 3 decades, airplanes and ice just don't mix. And when you're talking about a 1/4 inch of ice, it is so difficult to de-ice airplanes that have that much ice on them. It takes so long. And I think that's what airlines do. For us to operate safely, the throughput out of an airport just comes to almost a grinding halt, and you have to really meter the departures out. And I think the best thing airlines can do is really cancel ahead of time to give travelers an idea of what they can expect. So based on those weather predictions, yes, you're going to see a lot of reductions. And closer in, you'll see everyone kind of dial in exactly what needs to happen to provide the most assurances for travelers. But it's going to be ugly. We're taking down our schedule to the East Coast. Now, fortunately, we're on the West Coast, the bulk of our operations, but we got pounded with rain and all that stuff. So we had our stuff as well. But I'm hoping it's not going to be as bad as it is, but it looks pretty dire right now.
Yeah.
Hey, Ben, what's your exposure in terms of your route network on the eastern half of the United States? Because clearly, as you mentioned, you do have flights into New York, into other cities in the East Coast. What's your exposure percentage-wise of your domestic routes?
We probably, and Phil, I'm just going by memory, but at least 20% of our operations head east. So it's quite a bit, even though we're West Coast based. We have 20% of our network that flies east on transcon flights, so it's going to be impactful for us as well. Not to the same extent as the East Coast-based airlines, but we got to take our schedule down as well.